Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your LinkedIn. To know how to fix or how to solve your LinkedIn app, you should just go to settings. After that we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you'll enter to the window of LinkedIn. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click clear cache. And in the end, you can turn off your phone. You can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. If it's not working with you, you can update your app on Play Store. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for watching.